Have you ever wondered how flying squirrels can glide through the air with such grace and agility? Well, you're not alone. Flying squirrels are fascinating animals that have evolved some amazing adaptations to survive and thrive in their habitats. In this video, I'll share with you some of the secrets behind their flight, their diet, their behavior, and their conservation status. First of all, let's clear up, flying squirrels don't actually fly. They glide, which means they use the air to slow down their fall and control their direction. They do this by spreading out a membrane of skin called a patagium that stretches from their wrists to their ankles. This creates a wing-like surface that catches the air and allows them to steer and maneuver. They also use their long, bushy tails as rudders and stabilizers. Some species of flying squirrels can glide for more than 100 meters, 330 feet, in a single leap. Flying squirrels are mostly nocturnal, which means they are active at night. They have large eyes that help them see in the dark, and they use vocalizations and scent markings to communicate with each other. They live in trees, where they build nests of leaves, twigs, and fur. They feed on a variety of foods, such as nuts, seeds, fruits, insects, eggs, and even small birds and mammals. They are preyed upon by owls, hawks, snakes, raccoons, and other predators. Belong to the subfamily Pteromyiinae, which contains about 50 species of gliding rodents. They are closely related to other squirrels, but they have a unique adaptation that allows them to soar from tree to tree. They have a furry, parachute-like membrane called the patagium that connects at their wrists down to their ankles. When they leap from a tree and spread their limbs, this flap of loose skin forms a square and acts like a hang glider. Also have an extra finger attached to their patagium, which helps them stretch the membrane farther and catch more air. They use their strong limbs, fluffy tail, and patagium muscles to steer and control their glide. They can make 180-degree turns in mid-air to evade predators or change direction. They can glide up to 300 feet, the length of a soccer field, in a single leap. Are found on 3 continents, North America, South America, and Asia. They inhabit forests, woodlands, and jungles, where they can find plenty of trees to glide from. They make their homes in tree cavities, woodpecker holes, bird nests, or nests they build themselves out of leaves and twigs. They are social animals that often live in colonies with other flying squirrels. They communicate with each other using screeching calls, chirps, and body language. Flying squirrels have different mating cycles depending on the species. Some species mate only once a year, while others mate twice a year. The mating season usually occurs in winter or spring, when the food is abundant. Flying squirrels are promiscuous animals that mate with multiple partners. The females give birth to 1 to 6 babies after a gestation period of 40 days. The babies are born blind, hairless, and helpless. They stay in the nest for about 2 months before they start to explore the outside world with their mother. They become independent at about 3 months of age. are generally social animals and often live in small groups or colonies. They communicate through vocalizations, scent markings, and body postures. They are known for their ability to share nests, huddling together for warmth during colder periods. Flying squirrels face predation from a variety of predators, including owls, auks, snakes, and mammalian predators like cats and raccoons. Their gliding ability helps them escape from ground-based predators and reach otherwise inaccessible areas. Flying squirrels are important for the health of the forest. They help disperse seeds and spores of plants and fungi, which promotes biodiversity and regeneration. They also provide food for many predators, such as owls, hawks, foxes, weasels, snakes, and cats. Flying squirrels are preyed upon by these animals, but they have some adaptations that help them escape or avoid detection. For example, they can glide silently through the air, camouflage with their fur coloration, and emit ultrasonic sounds that confuse echolocating bats. Flying squirrels are threatened by habitat loss, fragmentation, degradation, and pollution. They also face competition from invasive species, such as gray squirrels and rats. Some species of flying squirrels are endangered or vulnerable due to overhunting for their fur or meat. Conservation efforts are needed to protect flying squirrels and their habitat from further destruction. It is threatened with habitat loss, fragmentation, degradation, and pollution. It also faces competition from invasive species such as gray squirrels and rats. Some species of flying squirrels are endangered or at risk due to overhunting for their fur or meat. There is a need for conservation efforts to protect flying squirrels and their habitats from further destruction. They are amazing animals because they have adapted to a unique lifestyle in the trees. They can easily glide through the air using their patagium as wings and their tail as a rudder. They have large eyes that help them see in the dark, and cute faces that make them beloved by humans. They are social and vocal animals that live in colonies and communicate with each other. They are also important ecological animals that help spread seeds and pollen throughout the forest. Flying squirrels are fascinating creatures that deserve our respect and admiration. They are not pests or nuisances, but valuable members of our natural world. Flying squirrels are fascinating creatures that deserve our respect and admiration. They are not pests or nuisances, but valuable members of our natural world. We hope that this information has added a lot of value and enrichment to your understanding of flying squirrels and their amazing adaptations. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the video. Feel free to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more informative and exclusive content. We appreciate your support and encouragement, and look forward to sharing more interesting information in the future.